Hi Maria, thank you for your question. Hence is usually used in the middle of a sentence or at the beginning of a clause in the middle of a sentence. So let's just give you some examples. There are two different meanings and uses for the word hence. The first meaning and the most common meaning means similar to therefore, as a consequence of or for this reason. Okay, so let's think of that meaning, for this reason, as a consequence or therefore. Let's have a royal theme to our examples today. Prince Harry is of royal birth. Hence, the public interest in his interview with Oprah Winfrey. Hence here means as a consequence of his royal birth, there is public interest in his interview with Oprah Winfrey. For this reason, hence for this reason, hence as a consequence of, hence therefore. The second meaning of hence is to mean from a period of time onwards. So this is more formal and used less often. And I think we can say the interview with Oprah Winfrey has hit the American audience already. The rest of the world, we're still waiting for it at the moment. But from this time hence, the media around the world will be reacting very differently to Harry and Meghan, because they have made statements in an interview. From this time, hence, from this time forward. I hope that helps, but if you are a Preply student, there are advanced lessons on discourse markers, and hence is included in that. So you can check that out on your topics on Preply C1 advanced level. Drop me a line, Kelly Ann M, if you have any further questions. I'm an English tutor on Preply. See you soon. Bye-bye.